All right, let's talk about a couple of ways that we can multiply bigger numbers. We've been practicing 1-digit times 2-digit multiplication and 1-digit times 3-digit multiplication. We've talked about 1-digit times 4-digit. Now I kind of want to enter the world of 2 digits times 2 digits. So first we're going to talk about when we multiply by multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. When we do this, there are a couple of ways that we can practice doing this. First, I want to show you how I could use the associative property. Do you remember the associative property? That's the grouping property. It does not matter how I group the numbers. So I could look at this math problem as 35 times, let's break down my multiples of 10. 2 times 10. Do we see that one? All right, now the associative property says it does not matter how I group. So I have decided that I'm going to group these two numbers. And then I'll multiply those by 10. Now, what's 35 times 2? We know how to do 2 digits times a 1 digit. 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to put down the 0. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 70. Maybe some of you can do that in your head. I can't, especially not early in the morning. Now I have this problem. Anybody see something screaming at them? Sure you do. It's a basic fact. 7 times 1 is 7. How many zeros did you take off? 2. So let's go ahead and put 2 zeros back on. When I'm doing a 2-digit times a 2-digit, I can use the associative property. I'm going to break down my multiple of 10 into a multiplication problem times 10, and then I can group it differently, and that way I can get to basic facts that I know. Do you see how the associative property can help me? Let's try that one again.